Hello friends, welcome to Magnotech YouTube channel. This is third video regarding mechanical comparator and this is Sigma comparator. Today we are going to discuss. So it is British design and manufacture comparator. Generally what happen due to up and down movement of the plunger, possibility to damage, right? So to avoid that damage, here this kind of comparator, Sigma comparator is used. So let us understand the principle of Sigma comparator. So you can see the figure. This is a fixed member, this is moving member, these three strips available here, and it is exactly right angle to each other. Like this is fixed member and this is exactly 90 degree with the fixed member, and here this is moving member and this strip exactly 90 degree to this moving member. Now what happened when the pressure applied over here, these strips having some angle deflection, and that angle deflection converted into the required scale. So this is the basic principle. Let me show you the exactly working of Sigma comparator. Here you can see this is a plunger, right? So plunger, and here this is groove and this is knife edge. So groove is here to provide the pivot point of this knife edge, and one of the point of this knife edge is on the moving block, right? Now as the plunger move down or upward, there is a movement in this moving block, right? This is a moving block, this is fixed block, as I have said. Okay, this is moving and this is fixed block. So this is moving block and this is fixed block. When it has a movement over here, now when the plunger move downward, this knife edge already touch over here, so moving block having some movement over here, and here Y arm is available and phosphorus bronze driving band also available here, and because of this band and this mechanism, here pointer shows the reading on the scale. So this is the basic working of Sigma comparator. So here you can easily see that knife edge is connected to the moving block. It applies the force on the block and deflect it at an angle theta. Okay, because of the Y arm change its position by the rotating drum of small radius r. Okay, in same way the attached pointer also rotate and show some reading on the scale, right? This is the same like I told you, right? Now if the length L of the Y arm, here you can see this is a Y arm. Here you can see this is Y arm, right? This is rotating drum, smaller radius. Okay, this is a pointer. Okay, so L is the length of the Y arm and distance from the hinge of the knife edge is X. Then the first stage of the magnification is L by X. Okay, from the figure the first magnification is L by X, and second stage of magnification, that is if the pointer radius is R and drum radius is small r, then the magnification is given by capital R upon small r. Okay, so basically total magnification of the comparator is given by L by X into R by small r. Okay, so this is the basic thing about the Sigma comparator, which is third type mechanical comparator, right? So I hope you understand about the mechanical comparator, Sigma comparator. And if you like this video, press like button, share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.